Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will be talking about implicit derivation and I will explain the concept while deriving that function, which is x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 minus x squared y to the power of 4 equal 5x. But before I start, at the end, please, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me continue doing videos for you. And if you choose, you can have notification whenever I post a new video. And believe me, I'm posting videos on a daily basis. So let's start. If I want to derive that function, so because there is a plus and minus, I have to derive every component of the function. So d over dx of x to the power of 3, that's the derivative of the first item, plus d over dx of y to the power of 3 minus d over dx x squared y4 equal d over dx of 5x. So I'm deriving every component of my function. So the first one, it's easy. The derivative, because I'm deriving according to x and I have x in my I'm deriving x. So it becomes 3x squared. The second one, I'm deriving according to x, but I have y. So let's write it dy to the power of 3 times divided by dx. I want to multiply it by 1 because 1 is a neutral value of a multiplication. Multiplying anything by 1 does not change it, like 5 times 1 is 5, 100 times 1 is 100. But my 1, I want to write it in a very intelligent way. Instead of writing 1, I want to write dy over dy, because anything divided by itself is equal to 1. Minus, so I have the formula u times v is equal u prime v plus u v prime, and I have, this is my u and this is my v, and I want to apply the formula. So it becomes derivative of x squared according to dx multiply by y to the power of 4. So this is u prime times v plus, let's put a parenthesis here, derivative now times u times v prime. The u is x squared times d of y4 divided by dx. Let's write it in a better way, and I don't have a place, I'm gonna move it a little bit. D of y to the power of 4 divided by dx, and I close my parentheses, and because I took a lot of spaces, let's move it a little bit, and we'll move all that. Okay, is equal I'm deriving 5x according to x, it's equal to 5. The derivative of 5x according to x is 5. Now let's work out let's work out this values and this value here. Yeah. So this will become 3x squared. Now I know 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. So now I can swap my dy and my dx, because like multiplication of a fraction is numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So plus dy to the power of 3 divided by dy times dy divided by dx. So I just swapped it because like the multiplication is commutative, I guess we say it. Minus, now the derivative of x2 according to x is 2x y4 plus x2 times d of y4 y to the power of 4 divided by dx, multiplied my famous one, which is dy divided by dy is equal to 5. And I want to close my parentheses here. Now it becomes 3x squared plus, now I'm deriving y according to y, plus 3y2 times dy over dx, and this is a minus here. I'll keep it for now. 2xy4 plus x2, and I swap my y's, my dy and my dx here. So it becomes dy to the power of 4 divided by dy, which become 4y3 times dy divided by dx, because I just swapped those two, equal to 5. Now let's get rid of the parentheses. So it becomes 3x squared plus 3y2 dy over dx minus 2xy4 minus 4x squared y3 dy over dx is equal to 5. Now I want to keep all the term that has dy over dx on my left hand side of my equality and all the rest to the right hand side of the equality. And the term that has dy over dx is this one and that one. Those would stay to the left hand side and everything else would go to the right hand side. So I will keep 3y squared dy over dx minus 4x squared y to the power of 3 dy over dx equal. So on the left hand side I had 3x plus 3x2. It will move to the right hand side as minus 3x2, and that's my 5. I kept it. It was on the right, I kept it on the right. And minus 2xy to the power of 4 become plus 2xy to the power of 4. So now I can factor out on the left hand side dy over dx. So if I factor out dy over dx, 3y squared minus 4x squared y to the power of 3 is equal 5 minus 3x squared plus 2xy to the power of 4. And now I can divide both sides by 3y squared minus 4x squared y3 and the other side by 3y squared minus 4x squared y3. So my dy over dx, that would become 1 equal 5 minus 3x squared plus 2xy to the power of 4 divided by 3y squared minus 4x squared y to the power of 3. So I just did that in a very detailed way. I hope that you understood it. If not, I'm gonna leave something in the comment. I will do other videos. I will explain it more. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and it will really help me, and you get notified whenever I post new video, and I will be posting on a daily basis. Thank you.